easy. Oh boy.
He really doesn't know how to ride a bike and turn around.
Well, what's he doing riding a motorcycle then?
I've been trying to teach him better.
Does he know how to stop or to turn it?
Yeah, he's coming back.
We need some gas in ours. We need some gas in ours, Dad.
Oh God, add the milk.
That thing's a perfect size for kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's perfect speed too. Nice
Huh?
and slow.
Yeah.
What's the top speed on that thing?
23.
That's what it says. With my fat butt on it, I can't get up to 23. Jake was saying how it had power coming uphill. I'm like, really?
It just seemed like everything is blowing at me.
Sam, is that fun?